Hey, I just wanted to show you how to use the spaces feature in Bluebeam when you're doing a takeoff based on an enlarged floor plan like I'm doing here, to segregate your window count. The way I would like to segregate this one is to do it by area, just so it's clear to the folks who are going to come behind me to do submittals or description forms. So let's say I want to separate all of these window coverings by room. I've already done that to some extent. As you can see in the drop down menu, I've added these spaces here already. And it's really easy to do this. You go to spaces, you click on add a space, and then you're really just gonna create a box over the space that you're trying to segregate, and it's going to automatically grab all of the markups that you have placed inside that box, and then you can label it. Actually, I want that capitalized because I'm a weirdo. And then you just proceed on for each area. The only thing that you have to keep in mind with spaces is that you don't ever want to place a space on top of a space, or like you can't overlap spaces. It causes issues when you try to do that. Otherwise, this is a really easy feature to use, and it saves a lot of time when it comes to exporting your markups.